Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you this morning. It is Saturday morning. We are getting our sales out this morning because yesterday was Veterans Day and it was a holiday. So thank you so much to all of our veterans. We do appreciate your service very much. My father is a veteran. I come from a military family, and I understand the sacrifice that you guys have made, and we do appreciate that very much. Let's get into what has sold over, I guess, yesterday. It's not really the weekend, so.
Pretty much yesterday and into now. A couple came over the night. So, all right. I sold this that vintage Snoopy.
Oh, that was a cool one. Yeah.
Just a Christmas sweater from, I got it at a garage sale for $2 this summer. And sold it for $25 plus ship. I actually just ended and relisted this a few days ago. I had it, and I do think it would have sold, but I know we're getting close to Christmas, and since it's Christmassy, I wanted it to sell before Christmas. I think I had it listed at $39.95. I was like, I want it to sell. Let me end it, relisted. I listed it at $29.95, and then I got a watcher like that same day, and then I sent them an offer of $25, and they accepted. So
yeah.
I'm glad I got it sold before Christmas. I do think I could have got closer to 40. There was similar comps of the same brand for about 40. Oh yeah, my new shipping mailers came.
New mailers. Oh, the smiley face beanie hat things.
So that works perfect because Snoopy has one.
Oh yeah.
All right. DJ. This is one of the reasons I was debating on shipping today or not, but obviously Veterans Day. I didn't want to get people's out that had already bought like a day ago, but and this person was like, please ship ASAP. So I was like, I'll just ship. All right, these are just a pair of Skechers bike shorts. I actually bought these at Goodwill for $5.99, but I was keeping them for myself. When I tried them on, I just didn't like how they looked. I like my bike shorts to be pretty tight around here, and these ones were a little, like they weren't doing it for me, so I listed them. Even though they're new with tag, a lot of people had the exact same one in the same size listed for like $14.95 free shipping. So I listed mine for $10.95 plus shipping. And they did sell in just a couple days, but yeah, not like $3 profit maybe on that. All right, that's another Skechers item. These are like a little ankle booty. Bought for $10.99 and accepted a $30 offer on Poshmark. Those, we got a medium fat retirement.
Got a meatball in the way.
I gotta check for medium flat rates because that's what I'd prefer. All right.
Yeah.
Hanging item.
We have been talking a lot about what we talked about on our live, and although we haven't made any decisions yet, we are, I think, closer to making decisions for what's going to happen with storage unit, garage, shed, bus, office, house, all that stuff that we
add on to our house.
Right. And you know what? I do want to apologize again. I do feel like I got a little frustrated on our live, and I don't know, passionate. Kathy was like saying she's gonna buy me Profit Monsters shirt. It's not. I'm not angry. I'm just passionate. But I do think I got to a point where I felt like I was saying the same thing over and over, and we weren't able to progress any further. And I think that was just frustrating me. And I do apologize if I came off as angry or anything. I just wanted to say that we were making good progress. I felt stuck a little bit, and
I mean, yeah, we were saying the same thing. Yeah, like it was new people, alive.
Yeah.
People just hop in and out whenever they can. So like the people that were saying the things that we've already talked about, they didn't know that.
And it's my
like, dude, you need to calm down. Because like
it's really my fault because originally I wanted to have like a whiteboard so that we could have stuff written down, and if we had that, like we could have showed that, like, okay, garage out of the question, bus out of the question, that kind of stuff, which wasn't there. So it is my fault. It's not anybody's fault. It's totally my fault, and I do apologize for that for sure.
That makes sense. It kind of reminds me of like sometimes I'll be in a whatnot and they're doing like some giveaway, but if you don't hop in at the beginning, then you don't necessarily know what's happening.
It's like the whole whatnot thing. Speaking of whatnot, people asking if we're going to sell on whatnot in our
But they don't know because they didn't hear us.
They don't know. We need to have like something in the background. We don't sell on whatnot. So.
Well, we can if we get rid of all these shelves. We could just put a whole banner.
Yeah. I'm just kidding. We're good.
All right. I sold this LL Bean like ski jacket. I did pay up for this like a year ago, so I'm very glad it finally sold. Sold for less than I'd hoped, but I paid $19.99 for it, and I sold it for $50.
Yeah.
So I was hoping it would sell for like $70 to $80, and it didn't.
It's a nice jacket.
Yeah, so I about double my money. That's still pretty good. Okay, CE. Here, actually, this is one of my son's old shirts. This one's been listed a very long time. I want to say like 2+ years. I originally paid $8 for it. He wore it, and then I sold it for $14, free shipping on Citizen. I did ship through Pirate Ship because this was like a 2-ounce shirt, and they only offer an 8-ounce label, so I was able to ship it at $3.88 on Pirate Ship. So I'm basically breaking even on that. Okay, shipping hip.
Yeah.
Right, W.
I do want to say also on the topic of storage, I did talk to my older brother who does rent in town, like a office with a warehouse in the back. They own like a tent rental, party rental business, and I was just curious about how much he pays for rent, and he was saying it was like, what did I say, like $1,700 plus utilities was about $100. He said, and there's actually a unit next to him available. But the biggest issue with that is it's a minimum 3-year lease, which...
But also that price, you might as well just buy the house. That's
right. And we kind of figured for 3 years, that'd be what, like $70,000 commitment?
Yeah, like a lot of people were like, how about a warehouse?
Yeah.
Which, yeah, that'd be awesome. But
it's just not what we want a year from now.
Yeah. Just the bigger house, honestly. So
I know we didn't talk about that number. Like, I looked up a little bit stuff on our lives.
And I think a lot of people may be thinking, like, we're just saying forever. Like, the storage unit is honestly just until we can get the new house.
Yeah.
And to get the new house, we have to get this house ready, and it's not ready, and it can't get ready in this condition with all of our stuff in it. So I think that was the biggest thing that maybe was coming across.
And, you know, like, we could do stuff up here, but we have to get this stuff up here out to take care of up here. So, yeah, anyway, I know we're just kind of going in circles on it.
Yeah, I think we're a lot closer to figuring it out, but we do appreciate it.
We definitely have defined what we're not going to do, right, as far as, like...
I think so.
We're not going to use the garage. We're not going to use the bus. We're not going to rent a warehouse.
Right.
Those are like big things that
probably not do a shed at this house anyways. Yeah. At this time, just because of how long it's just more of a hassle, I think. Honestly, that's more of a hassle than a storage unit. Sadly. Yeah. Because I do think it would be the better option. But all right, so these little toddler Crocs boots. I bought these for $10 at Once Upon a Child. Sold them for $28 with free shipping on Citizen. They are only about 7 ounces, so the shipping was only $4.85. So about doubling up my money on those. All right, shoe shelf boggle. Yeah, I sold the last pair of these guys.
These guys? Oh, my shoe tree holders?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
So that bought for $29, sold for $79.95 plus shipping. So
nice.
Yeah. So these are I think I originally had 3 of the exact, maybe even 4.
Same
the other
size.
pair just sold a couple days ago. One of them sold right after I bought them, which when I get them for $29, it's because I probably bought these like last March or
end of season last year. Yeah.
So I had to spend $29 knowing I'm not going to get that back for probably 6 months and be okay with that.
Yeah.
But if I can do that, which I do try to do at the end of like different seasons, summer I try to get a bunch of swimsuits, and winter I try to get a bunch of boots. If you can do that financially, it's a good profit. Like these 2 pairs were $40. I know I sold a pair on Posh for $100, so that was probably even a bigger profit. So $29 to make a $40 profit, I think is great.
Yeah.
But yeah, you do have to.
That's more the buy and hold.
Yeah.
Versus flip quick.
So.
Which we like, and if we could do more of that, we would. Yeah. If we space wise, right? Like we don't want to store stuff that long.
Since
space.
We are just like a pretty small business still.
Yeah.
I mean, $29. I don't know if I could buy 100 pairs of them. Like,
no.
I could, but would I want to? Because it's already taken a while for 3 or 4 pairs to sell.
Right.
So.
I think if space wasn't the issue, like technically money investment's not really the issue. Like we'd be okay putting that much money to hold that long.
Right. Like I know the bogs would all sell.
Yeah.
But like also these were all women's 6. I think that was another reason. If they were women's 9 or 10, they probably would sell quicker. If I could get 100 pairs in various sizes, I would definitely do something like that.
Yeah. But I think space is our biggest constraint when it comes to that kind of stuff. So
I did sell one of the games. Thanks, Chris, for photographing them. I bought this one for $4.29, sold it for $39.95 plus ship. Comps have definitely went down on
Yeah, this is a classic example of list your stuff when you get it.
So when we got it, it probably was worth 60 plus, maybe. I think we've sold others for
60, 70, yeah, probably more.
So, anyways, still, I mean, to me, if you find it even under 10 into 40 is probably, that's worth it to me. The problem with games is you really have to look them over for all the pieces, which is a hassle. So.
Right.
All right, AC.
It's funny. I feel like that game is a game that people play like 1 or 2 times.
And then they donate it, and
then
it looks perfect still.
Yeah.
So, all right, sold some Rothy's, and these are actually missing their insoles, which obviously I disclosed, but I still sold them for $89 on Posh. That was my full list price. I had bought them for $9.99, so nice sale there. Okay, box S. This was one of my...
Uh-oh. Time to wake up? No, I'm just kidding.
I'm going to a baby shower, and well, I bought them diapers and stuff, which is still in my car, but I brought the gift card inside the house, and that's my reminder not to forget it, because I forget everything. So, and this is the baby shower is not anywhere where I could be like, oh, I'll just drive back home and get it. It's like 30 minutes away. So
does this baby shower make you feel old at all? Because I know the mama is someone that you would like help out. She was in youth group that you were helping out.
I was helping with youth group. She was like 11 or 12 maybe. So now she's
grown, married, has her own house.
She has a master's degree. Yep. She has a great job. Married.
Great husband and a new baby on the way.
It was a little.
You're so old.
Getting teary-eyed.
You were a big part of that, though.
I know, that's crazy.
That's awesome.
I can't. Time is going.
Sorry to make you cry.
Now you're making me more sad. Okay. Anyways, sold this cool sweater for $54 with discount shipping on Poshmark, and I bought it for $5.99 just like last week.
Sweet.
Not bad. All right. Was I gonna ship that in? I guess I'm not showing you guys what I'm shipping stuff in today because
we haven't done it really.
We have to restock all the boxes I actually want to ship stuff in. Okay. Sold this Carhartt plaid. Bought for $3.99, accepted a $19 offer on Mercari. Okay. Let's do a sun mailing. Okay. A W. These are the brand Apex. That's what it is. Bought these for $9.99. I actually found 2 pairs, one gray, one blue. And this pair I accepted a $35 offer on Posh. I think I probably could have got closer between like 40 to 50 if I held out, but for some reason I've already gotten 2 pretty low offers on these, like 20 and 25, and like you can tell they've been worn like maybe one time.
Yeah. And
these retail over 100, and I can usually get 40 to 50 for this brand. So when I got 35, I was like, yeah, that's fair, and I'm sick of getting low. Sometimes when I get those low offers, I'm just like, want to give up on the item. Like, why is this one item giving me low offers? Okay. And this is a pair of Dickies men's overalls I bought for $9.99 and sold for $35 on Poshmark.
Nice. I feel like those sold pretty quick, huh?
Yeah. Those did. Yeah. Just a couple days.
Huh?
Just a couple days after I listed them.
Sweet. I thought you said something about Reese's.
No, he's being cute though.
I know, he's over here grunting and...
being an old man.
I can't tell if it's because he's old or if he's just realized that the grunting is getting our attention.
It is, definitely, because he's been so silent his whole life.
I know.
I do think he's groaning maybe he's just not paying.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously not paying well. He looks so happy right now. But, all right, let's get this stuff packed up and get you on your way to the baby shower.
Yeah.
All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go.
Our little one came up to help, so it took a little longer, but that's okay.
Yeah, it was cool. We made a little fireman chain, all that stuff. Reese was no help.
Nope.
Even less help than our youngest. I don't know what you think's going to happen. You already had a treat, bud. Anyway, that's it for today.
Yep, I'm going to head out.
You got your fun stuff to do.
Yeah, I was actually, so the place that the baby shower is pretty close to the bins. So I'm probably going to go to the bins after just because I like, if I'm down there and like, since Chris and the kids aren't coming with me, they don't have to like wait on me.
Yeah.
It's a good excuse
you get a little bit of freedom.
And yeah, I could use a haul for this week to list and just maybe do a Ben's haul.
Yeah.
I always say I'll try to record inside, but
the Ben's is always
you're
like...
not really allowed, so it has to be like stealthy, and I just don't know.
Kathy's not stealthy.
I'm not.
She thinks everyone's watching.
I do, and I'm like, I do not want to get in trouble. I don't want anyone to come over and say, "Man, you cannot be."
Right. Where in reality, literally everybody in there is looking at their phone and looks like they're recording something. So nobody's staring at you.
Probably look forward to a Ben's haul this next week.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's about it for today.
Sweet. That's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for the support. We do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time, probably with a Ben's haul or something else like that. So we'll see you then. Bye.